Where were we? Yeah, this. Okay. Now we will do the next one. Okay. Let's just start with this. I think we discussed this and we have to start with the next one. So now what you are going to do? You are going to do the fourth one, right?
Yeah, you gave it as homework. I already did it.
Okay. So we'll just discuss the answers. Okay. Just a
Okay.
minute. I'll just open it in the next desktop so that we can. Okay. Tell me the answers.
Uh, the first one is 78, comma
Hmm.
921, comma 092.
Correct. How would you pronounce it? The naming?
78,921,092.
Correct. Great. Next.
7, comma 452, comma 283.
Yes. How do you pronounce?
7,452,283.
Correct. Next.
99, comma 985, comma 102.
How would you pronounce it?
99,985,102.
Correct. Next.
48, comma 09049, comma 831.
How did you pronounce it?
48,049,831.
Correct. Very good. Okay. So now let's just start with the next one. Okay. The first question. Okay. So over here, ma'am, in the first question, it says you have to fill it. Okay. So 1 lakh is equals to how many thousand? So what you are going to do? You are just going to compare it. Okay. The international and the Indian. So for example, for Indian ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, right? For
Yeah.
international ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 100,000, sorry, 10,000, 100,000, then
Million.
yes, million and so on, right? So over
Yeah.
here it is 1 lakh. Okay. So 1 lakh means here, yes,
Yeah.
I write 1 lakh like this.
Yes.
Yes. So it is equals to how many 10,000? Tell me.
100,000.
Yes. So over here you will write 100, 10,000. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now next one, 1 million.
1 million.
1 million.
1 million. 1,000,000,000.
So over here, this is what you have to do. Okay. 10,000. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. This is 10,000. No, the first one is 10,000, not 100. It's 10,000. Right? So it is equals to this. So over here, you will write this 1 lakh, 1 cent, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Right? You wrote 1 lakh. Yes. Now what you have to do is equals to 10,000 is already there. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how would you find it?
So I should write what it says.
So how much is less over here? 10,000 is already there, right? So I just wrote 10,000. 1 cent, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. Over here, 3 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4 zeros.
Yeah.
Right? How many zeros are missing?
1 second.
1
0 is missing.
1 0 is missing. So if you will multiply this 10,000 with 10, you will get this. Yes? Right?
Yeah.
It will come here. Now it is in 10,000 here, right?
Yeah.
So you need to jump how many? 1. right?
Yeah.
10. So you will write here 10. Clear?
Yes.
Now for 1 million.
What? Hello?
Yes. Am I audible? Okay. Now for 1 million, how would you do it? Tell me. First, you will write 1 million here. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, right?
Yeah.
Then million. So it is 1 million. So this is 1 million, right? Now
Yeah.
it is 100,000. 100,000 would be ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, right? How
Yeah.
many zeros are less? Tell me.
1.
1 0, right? So you will again, if you will multiply it with 10, then you can add 1 0 over here. Yes.
Yeah.
Then similarly for 1 crore, just compare it. Tell me how many zeros are. See, in case if it is instead of 100,000, if it is only 1,000, 10,000, it would come here. Then by which number you would have multiplied?
Means?
For example, here it is 100,000, right? But
Yeah.
in place of 100,000, if it is 10,000,
In place of it.
yes. So then tell me what should I write here? Tell me how many zeros are less in 1 million and 10,000.
1,010,000.
Hmm.
Uh, it would be 2 zeros less.
It would be 2 zeros less. So you will multiply it with 100, right?
Yeah.
In case if it is only 1,000, then if it is like, you just have to remember, if it 1 zero less, multiply it with 10. 2 zeros less, multiplied with 100. 3 zeros less, multiplied with 100, 1,000, like that. Got it?
Yes.
Now you will compare C, D, E. Like, do it and tell me the answers.
Okay. Now, whatever you wrote on the board, should I write it in my book?
Yes, yes. If you want to write it down this, or you can just simply write the answer here. 10, 10. I hope you got it now, how to compare.
Yes.
Right. So if you want to write it down like one example, how to compare it, then you can write, others just write the examples. And then for CDE, solve it in your notebook, like you need to compare it, right?
Yeah.
And then write the answers.
Your the screen is gone. Okay. Okay, finished.
What you got for
For
the 1 crore?
I got 10,
Next.
100.
Okay. 1 crore and 1 mil, the 100?
What?
1 crore and 10 million would give you 100. Let's see. 1 crore and million, right? It's
Yes.
million. Wait a minute. Okay, next.
Uh, this one I have a doubt.
Hmm.
I got 100 in this.
Okay. So why you have a doubt?
I don't know. I feel like it's wrong.
Okay. For both of this, D and E, I'll do it and you'll tell me how it is correct and how it is wrong. Okay.
Okay.
So 1 crore. It's like ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, right? And
Yeah.
sorry, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. Yes.
Yeah.
Now million, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. How many zeros are less?
1.
Then why you wrote 100? Hmm?
Uh, I got confused.
This zero collect, if you will do it, if the 0, 1, you will do the mistake, then it will be a difficulty. Why? Because automatically the answer, the examiner will see, okay, you wrote 100 and automatically will deduct the marks. Okay. So you need to be very, very careful while doing this. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Now for 1 million and 1 lakh, recheck it. Now do it.
It's supposed to be 10.
Yes. Okay. Good. So you need to recheck. See, right now, once you will do it, just recheck it. Okay, so that in case you did any mistake or something, at least your answer will not go to the final examiner. Right?
Yes.
Okay, now we will do the second one. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. Right? So you have to write the numerals here. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, quickly do this. All the part A, B, C, D, E, and then we'll discuss the answer. Okay?
Excuse me. It shows right as numerals, but it's already.
Now, write as numerals means in number.
Oh.
Right? The name means this. Okay?
Oh.
Numerals means in number like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
Okay.
Done?
Yeah, almost done.
Okay, okay. Do it.
Finished.
Okay. So tell me the answers.
Uh,
First one. Just
seven,
read it.
73, comma,
Hmm.
75,000, comma,
Hmm.
307.
Hmm. Okay, just read it like this. 7375307. Like that. Okay? Got it?
Yes.
Next, B.
9 crore,
Hmm.
5 lakh,
Hmm.
41.
Just read it like that. I told you 9, comma, like that.
Okay. 7 crore,
Just don't say crore and all that. Just for the B one, just first tell me how you wrote it. What you wrote. Just read the number. Read means
uh,
like 1, 2, 3, 4, like that.
okay.
What you wrote.
9,
Hmm.
9541.
Okay, you wrote this.
Yes.
Ah,
And
so do you
it's
think
wrong.
this is wrong? Yes. Okay. Whenever the question comes, I'll show you one trick. Okay.
Okay.
Over here, you can see it is 9 crore 50 lakh 41. So you have to go till crore. So let's just make it ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Yes, just write it. Then it is 9 crore. So you will write 9 here. Okay.
Okay.
5 lakh. Okay. 41. 41. And rest of the place you will put 0. Got it?
Okay.
Right? So similarly, you will do with this one as well and this one and this one. Right?
Yeah.
First, write it down. 1 cents, 100,000. For example, it is 7 crore. So in place of crore, you will write 7. Right?
Okay.
And then it's 52 lakh. 52 lakh. So 52 lakh. Right?
Yeah.
Like, so correct it all and then you will tell me the answer.
Okay. Um, Finished.
Okay. Now tell me the answers.
Um,
Hmm.
should I say B1 also?
Yes, B1. B1, no. I mentioned it.
Okay.
C1. Hmm.
7, 52, 21, 302.
Correct. D.
D, I was not able to do it.
D1 not able to do.
No.
And E.
E,
E.
E, uh, 23, 30,
Hmm.
010.
Good. Very good. Then what was the problem in D1?
Like, it was confusing. I was not able to do it.
Okay. So it is why? You will do it like this: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Right?
Yeah.
So first, okay, sorry. This is million one. D1, na?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just write it. Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and then
million.
million. Okay. So over here it is 50, okay, million and 10 million. Okay. So it is 58 million. So 58 million. Yes.
Yes.
And then 400, 400. So
Yeah.
400. Got it?
Okay.
23. Okay, wait. This is not 400. This is 423,000. So 423,000. Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
I did
Then
that mistake only.
yes, 202. So 202. Got it?
Yes.
Hmm.
Finished.
Okay. Now over here, the next topic is large number in practice. Okay. So over here, large number means like, 10 millimeter is 1 centimeter and all that, like the conversion part. So large number, the bigger number, inside they have the smaller number, right?
Yeah.
So how do you got it? Basically, they are saying like, for example, if I'm talking about 1 kg, right? It's a large number. In 1 kg, we have 1000 gram, right?
Yeah.
Then, for example, next one,
Next
any other
one.
example you can give me? Like 1
And
kilometer,
1 kilometer
hmm,
equals to 1,000.
1000 meter. And like 1 centimeter, 100 meter. Sorry, 1 meter, 100 centimeter. Yes.
Yes.
So this is how you can say larger unit, they are being converted into the smaller unit. Okay. Now
This one came
basically,
in my term too.
yes. So basically that's the only thing that right now, everything will be coming in your exams, right? Like whatever you read in the study in the previous class, that is going to come in this class as well, but a little bit level up, right? So this is
Yes.
what. So whatever we study in the junior most class, of course, something like, for example, over in the junior class, I taught you 1 plus 1 is giving you 2. But in the sixth class, I will not teach you 1 plus 1 is 11, right? I will only teach 1 plus 1 is 2, right? But the
Yes.
thing is that in the junior class, we used to do like 1 plus 1, which is 2. But now I will give you 102 plus 103, like this. The level of difficulty will increase, but the actual thing would be remain same, right? Okay. So now after this, like I will not start today, but I'll just give a hint what we are going to do in the next class. Okay. So over here, basically, now you are going to add the things, right? The addition part. Okay. So for example, I gave you any number. For example, 5864 plus 6962. Add it and tell me the answer.
Okay. Finished.
Okay, what do you got?
12826.
Okay, so 4 and 2, 6. 6 and 6, 12. 9 and 9, 18. And 6 and 6, 12. So 12826.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So in our next class, what we are going to start? Well, we are going to start with the word problems. Okay.
Oh.
So over here, word problems we will be starting, right? So
Yeah.
in this case, like I'll give you, like for example, Rohan bought 563 kgs of apple, right?
Yes.
And for example, Simran bought 960 kg mangoes. Okay. So tell me how much is the total weight of both the fruit, right? So this is what. So in this case, you need to add. For example, I just gave you one example that you have rupees 1000, right? From this, you bought a pen, right? Worth rupees 200. Okay. A notebook worth rupees 700, right? Tell me how much balance is left with you. So in this case, first you will add this and whatever answer comes, you will subtract it from here. Yes?